Hello guys, I'm going to be reviewing a couple of sauces I got from Hot Pods, chiliproducts.com, if you just want to check it out. I'm going to start off with this cool rubber gun called Ring of Fire. I marinated some steak, as you can see here, with the rub. So let's have a little taste, see what it's like. You can taste like the different spices, you know, it's just really nice. Usually when you get these rubs, you normally have the one that dominates it. That's amazing. I'm gonna move this, otherwise you'll just sit watching me eat. That rub is lovely. That'll be going on everything, to be honest. Now for the sauces. I'm a bit nervous about one of these, well both of them to be honest, because they've got super hots in. This will be my kind of first introduction to it, so I hope you don't mind if I'm burning a bit. First one is a sweet chili sauce, sweet chili hot pod sauce. Yeah, Hot Pods Pretty Vicious it's called, and I like the logo, the sexy lady rocking the chilies. This one, ingredients, it says mango 35%, you've got white wine vinegar, papaya, which is at 17.5%, sugar, mixed chilies is 5.6%. Give it a good shake. I like how the top as well, if you have a look, it's nicely sealed. Let's open it and have a little smell and taste it. So right, straight away I can smell the vinegar. Yeah, a bit of vinegar and a bit of spice. So let's try and get a bit out. Yeah, it's coming. I like the colour of it, the colour's pretty cool. Oh, come on, there we go. Nice little dollop there. Let's have a little taste, as you can see. Not major, not big massive spoonfuls like some of yours, but here we go. Whew. That's spicy, that. But it's not. It is hot. I mean, it's hot for me. But you can't half taste the mango and the papaya. Oh, I've had hiccups. Have a little drink. Yeah, that says it's a 3 out of 5 rating, so we'll go with that rating because I'm new to this, got hiccups already. Oh, there's the hot one now. Same kind of cool seal. Now this is the one that's going to bear me, so bear with me. I might need loads of drinks and whatever, but there we go. To give it a shake. Like that sweet one there, that will be going on my chips in a minute. Let's have a smell. Oh, this smells spicy. This will be lovely on my hot dogs over the weekend, what I posted. Can't wait, I'm gonna die off this. So I'm only gonna do a little bit of this, guys, because I don't want to kill myself off. This ingredients are red peppers 25%, mixed super hot chilies 20%. I'm snotting a bit, sorry guys. Chopped tomatoes, tomato juice, Grapes 10%, well that's a bit different, but red wine vinegar, plums, water, salt, sugar, and rapeseed oil. Oh, there we go. Nervous about this one, guys, so bear with me. I'm only doing a little one. Oh, this one flows as well, nice. Right, see, I've only done a little bit this time, have a taste. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I can taste the tomatoes. The tomatoes come through straight away when you first, you know, have a taste. But then, yeah, you get the heat, like, it is hot.